We were building up steam, and I thought this was a genuine move, but with the broader market sell-off, we broke back below, retested the 200 DMA, and have continued away from there. If we just draw some fib levels for this entire range, so we had been drawing them here, but now we have to take this peak down to the trough right here, and this just gives us some support and resistance. And wouldn't you know, we always talk about the 50% level. I didn't draw this beforehand, but we're finding support right now at the 50% level. So this is actually making me want to get into a perp right now, a perp long. And I love trade setups like this because you just have such clear invalidation. You can enter your long, and you know that if we break below the 50% and say break this last wick right here, that we have more downside price action ahead of us. And the other thing that's great about fib levels, you know, we just drew this, and you can see how this 50% has just played support and resistance for all these candle wicks here. And you'll see, you know, it wicks through a little bit, but it's generally support. And you also see how the 618 and the 382 level here provide support and resistance. So Fib tool is a great one to use. The 50% level is my most used tool in analyzing ranges, followed by the 618 and the 382. This can really help you predict what's going to happen next. And you guys might be watching this video tomorrow on Saturday, and you can tell me if Solana bounced away from this 173.94 50% level and rose higher from here. In terms of a prediction of what's going to happen, I think that if Bitcoin rallies to that $120,000, we are going to test this 195 easily and hopefully break through. If we rally up there, my hope would be that Solana really gets some strength and breaks through the 50% level, back tests it for support, and then we bounce away from there. If Bitcoin breaks down, the support we have below is obviously the bottom of this range at the 159.50 level. And below that, the tops of this range at $157. There is still a fair bit of liquidity down there, so just look out for this zone down below.